guys, welcome to our new chapter. Now we are going to see for insulation what are the civil and mechanical component required, how it will be fixing, what are the things are requirement is there. All those things we are going to see in this new chapter. So insulation and the mechanical part of the solar PV system. So type of roof and roofing. Roof can flat type or slope type. Structure can be grounded using anchor fast net bolt, penetrating type, foundation net bolt, non-penetrating type. So preferable method construction pedestal like footing, avoiding the roof penetration. In case of anchor fast net bolt, use an adhesive ensuring no water leakage. Permanent affect the structure design. Parameter, what are the parameter affecting the structure design? Dead loads of the PV system, load carrying capacity of the roof, wind speed, snow, temperature. These are the parameters will affect the structure. Type of footing. Part footing, supporting a leg of the structure. Continuous spread footing, provided mostly between the front leg and back leg of the structure. The thickness of the footing help to increase the strength and wider with ensuring larger area to transfer the weight. Glade beam footing, it is mostly same height above the roof. So structure layout diagram. This is the diagram. After identifying the type of footing, prepare a structure layout diagram mentioning the place of the footing. For what are the civil component required? Required tools, hammer, screwdriver, nail puller, measure square, handsaw, plumb box, measuring tape, drill machine, utility knife, chisel, line dory, clamps, digging bar, spade sprinkling level. These are the things commonly used. What is solar structure? A solar structure is called of metal arranged in a manner used to support the solar panel mount a rooftop. So there is an MS, stainless steel, SS. There are three types of aluminum, iron, and stainless steel. These three types of component will regularly using the designing the structure. Why are they critical? Rooftop mounting system are utilized the position the panels is required direction. Benefit of solar structure: maximize the energy protection, enhancing stability of the model. Types of solar structure: penetration, single leg, single tie MS. Non-penetrative, single leg, single tire MS. Penetration, single leg, double tire MS. We can go for this MS, SS also, stainless steel also we can go. Non-penetration, single leg, double tire. So mounting of solar panels, mechanical structures should be designed properly. Model should be mounted in a very safety manner. Precautions should be taken at the time of mounting. Model should be placed properly as per bolt to hole match. Model should be placed towards south direction. Always install some ration of panels is array triangle. Different part of mounting structure. Model mounting member, cross member, tilt member, back leg, front leg, this concrete M20. So based on requirement we can fix it. Type of mounting: flat roof solar panel insulation. If offer flexible for orientation and tightening the solar panel for ideal solar collection. Ball-stud mount. Ball-stud system are often preferably because they do not penetrate the roof but only work for larger system in low wind zones. Mechanical attached type of mounting. Traditional rooftop system are mounting to be to the post secured in the roof beams. Special roof leak protection in adding to each penetration to stop leak. This attract system work for any size and hold the even wind area. Mechanical attachment. The hybrid mount, often referred to be minimally attached system. The hybrid mounts use some structure attachment combined with a typical ball-stem design. This result in minimal roofing penetration, but little more sustainable where needed. Type of mounting: pitch roof solar panel insulation, ground mounted solar panel insulation. So insulation mounting structure. This is the structure. Model mounting structure are arranged in such a way that it shall always face to south. After insulation at the angle similar to latitude. Mounting structure are being mounted as per approval diagram basis. We have to make a civil work for proper mounting of structure so that it can withstand wind speed. Arrays kept in the particular sequences according to number of model in series and parallel. PV module are installed either on sun tracking or fixed structure. Mostly nowadays fixing for fixed structure, not using for sun tracking. So solar tracking mounting structure. Solar tracking is a device used to minimize the angle of incidence between the incoming sunlight and the photovoltaic panel. It can be mode or automatic and also single axis or dual axis. Single axis solar tracker rotate on one axis moving back and forth in a single direction. LDR, light depending resistant, and microcontroller are used in kind of tracking. Dual axis solar tracker turn the panel both from east to west and up and down to ensure the panels follow sun path. Samples of the insulation. So with this, we are ending this model now, this chapter now. We will meet it.